Look at all of this snow and ice. This is amazing! I love this winter wonderland. It sure is pretty, Peppa. Everything's so white. What should we do first? I know. Let's jump in the snow and make snow angels. Come on. It'll be fun. Look at our angel wings. That was great. I have an idea. Let's sing a song. Jumping up and down with snow and ice. This is really cold.
Wiggle.
Giggle.
Play.
I have another fun idea. Snowball fight! Ah! You got me! Ah! It's so cold! My turn! My turn! I'm coming for you. You better watch it. You missed. Try again. Ah! Right in the snout! Here comes the big one! Ah! Peppa, let's build a snowman. Look, here's the body and the head. I already put on 2 eyes and a carrot nose. Let's add a hat and 2 arms. Don't forget the buttons, Peppa. No snowman is complete without buttons. There we go. He looks perfect. Yay! We built the snowman. Yay! Woohoo! Let's roll around some more. Peppa, I just thought of the best idea. Do you want to go ice sledding? Ice sledding? That sounds a little scary. It's not scary. It'll be so much fun. Come on, let's go. Alright, when I say go, we're gonna go down on our sleds. If you say so, Bluey. Ready? Steady? Go! Give it a good push down the hill. I'm coming, boy! This is great! Oh, I fell off! It's okay, Peppa. Slide on down. I'll meet you at the bottom. Woo! I made it. But where's Peppa? I'm coming, Bluey. Don't worry about me. Ah! I fell off again. I'm almost there, Bluey. Whew, that was a rough ride, but that sure was fun. I told you it would be fun, Peppa. It's getting pretty chilly out here. Why don't we go find a spot to warm up? Great idea. Let's go. Whoa, what is this place? It looks like an igloo. We can get warm in an igloo. Let's go in and check it out. Wow, it's so big and tall. This is great. Now what do we do? It's not very warm in here. I'm gonna see if I can climb to the top. Are you sure about that, Peppa? Don't fall off. Be careful. Wow, it's so neat up here. Everything is so white and beautiful. Look out below! That was so much fun! I wanna try. My turn. Alright, I'm gonna climb the igloo. 1, 2, 3. It's a little high up here. Don't be scared, Bluey. You can do it. Just jump. Here I come. Ah! That was so much fun, Peppa. Thanks for encouraging me, even though I was a little scared of heights. Well, I was a little scared of ice sledding, so we both faced our fears today. I'm still pretty cold. This igloo isn't very warm. I have an idea. Let's start a small fire. We'll get extra warm with the fire. Oh, great idea, Bluey. I saw some sticks we can use right outside the igloo. Here we go. That's perfect. Let's stack them up nice and neat. Here, I'll help. Teamwork is the dream work. Let's light her up. I see the smoke. It's working. Here comes the big flame. I'm feeling warmer already. Thanks for playing with me today, Peppa. This is so much fun. Maybe we'll get another winter storm next weekend.
Yeah, you never know, Bluey. This is the best day in the snow and ice.
Thanks for watching,